I learned to read with my Bible and to think with the manifesto.
Hi, I'm Jonas from Doing History. Today's focus, Friedrich Engels. Engels was a German businessman, journalist and social critic of the 19th century. He had seen industrialisation firsthand, especially during his time in Manchester. In 1845, Engels published the book The Condition of the Working Class in England, a sharp attack on poverty, miserable housing and brutal working conditions. Together with Karl Marx, he wrote the Communist Manifesto in 1848 and supported Marx politically and financially. Engels also helped disseminate Marx's work. His writings exposed the social costs of industrialisation and deeply shaped the labour movement and socialism.